I'm Parrot. I'm here in beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada with LightMD, and I just finished a series of 2 treatments over the last couple of days on my shoulders. I'm an old hockey player and have several injuries. The treatments are very relaxing, and immediately I felt some relief from some of the pain I was having, especially my right shoulder. And I was able to sleep with no numbness last night in my right shoulder especially. So went in, just got finished with my second treatment, feeling great, and I'm excited to be able to continue to use this great product.